What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl Kat and I'm back like I never left. Today's video is going to be on how I achieve my full glam. Okay, now make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you know when your girl posts, and let's get into it. Alright, so I already have my eyes concealed using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use the color Flux. That is just going to be our base color to get this look popping. So I kind of noticed that I put a little bit too much, but of course we are going to continue blending her out. We're just going to use the windshield wiper method, so just continue going back and forth swiping your angled brush. And yes, we're gonna blend. That is how we can get these shades really meshed and looking real good together, is just continue to blend. Alright, so for our second color, I'm going to be using the color Heat, and I feel like this will complement the brown that we just did for our base, and we're just going to stack her right under the Flux color, and then we're going to really kind of blend that out so they're, like I said before, they'll mesh really well together. So I will continue using my angle brush and just using the windshield wiper method and going right back and forth to blend those colors out. Alright, so I'm going to go back in with the color Flux just to resharpen that color, and again just really blend it well so these colors will look great. It already looks amazing to me, so yeah. Alright, so now it's time to create our cut crease, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and I'm also using my flat top brush to stack on my concealer. And I am starting glow because I don't want to over conceal my eye. I do have hooded eyes, so I just want to make sure that it does look right. So I'm going to continue looking up just to make sure I don't over conceal and it doesn't get too messy. And also you can tell I'm not trying to put a lot of concealer on because I kind of wanted a little bit of a dryness so that it does stay and that the concealer doesn't move. Also, the cut crease is kind of one of the slightly hardest thing for me, so I'm still working on my techniques. As you can see, I'm still trying to make sure the line is kind of perfect, but I did realize that I can fix my line using the glitter in the next clip. Alright, so now I'm just adding a light brown shade on top of the concealer. This is how the concealer will not move. Whatever color you put on top, either if it's glitter or just a regular eyeshadow, that concealer will not move. So now I'm using the color Bling Thing. This is just a prime color that we'll use. So when we put the glitter on, she will pop severely. Okay, girl? It's glitter time. So now we're going to use the color Show Off, and I'm using my small it's like a eyeliner brush, and I'm going to use that to apply the glitter. And I also have a little bit of glitter primer, just so that the glitter doesn't fly away, and also that it sticks, so I can wear her all night long. And it's just patting, but also sometimes swiping, so we can perfect the concealer line that we made earlier. Y'all, do not clock me. I realized I used too much concealer in the process, but what I did was continue to blend, okay? And then I did use my foundation brush just to help fix that line, as you can see. But just take your time. That's all I gotta say, but yeah. Alright you guys, so my camera died in the middle of filming, but I just added a little blush. I used the Profusion Cosmetics shadow in the color Harmony to give me a light shimmery but also a little pink to warm up my face. And then for my lips, I used a gingerbread color lip liner, and then I just add a shimmery gloss to pair with the lips, and that was it. I'm super happy with this look. At first I wasn't feeling it, but you know, you gotta have the whole face together and see everything together, and I just really love this look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any products that I used in this video, but everything will be put in the description box, so check that out, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.